My first time trying momos.
It is just chilies.
Hot.
You eat and then it's too hot.
Guys, you're here. I'm trying a Indian burger. There you go. Guys, let's go and look for food here in Darjeeling. Oh, small baby. Jesus Christ. All right. You are getting lost.
A very long food time.
You are getting lost, bro.
I was searching for you, man.
You are searching for me again.
You wanna drink lemon tea? It's very good.
What?
Lemon tea.
Lemon tea. Me, I'm okay with it.
What?
This place is so well lit, like it looks beautiful. I'm okay with it. Lemon tea.
Yes, you wanna try?
Trying, we take it at home. It's not about trying. I'm used to it.
There is some specialty.
Like everything apart from food, here in India we have them at home. Like chapati, we cook, like everything.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Then just roam around.
We are just roaming, but we should eat. Me, I'm so hungry, bro. We should look for food. Like, I just want to eat. Not like trying.
Yes.
Not trying, like eating now. It's about eating now. It's not trying. Guys, look at this street here. It's so crazy.
Pure veg restaurant.
My brother brought me here. I don't know.
Wait.
There is tea here. Maybe you should try this.
momos है. नीचे देखना मोमोज लिखा है. बस दो ही मोमो है.
That's the menu.
बस दो मोमो है.
Not good?
There should be some variation in momos, na? It was just half plate and full plate. Nothing
Okay.
else.
Okay. Oh, what a beautiful street.
Na?
And I feel like I'm the tourist guy now. You know, in this street, I'm actually the tourist guy.
Yes, for sure.
For sure, man.
If someone is not,
Yeah?
if someone is not standing on the highest stairs, then you.
Yeah.
Behind you.
I can see everybody's head, like, bro. It's so good.
We are just going the
It's so good
opposite
to be
way.
the tourist man in the street. You know? So good. Yo, man.
What?
Wow. Guys, we are just exploring here looking for momos. Momos we can eat. We can have some momos here. Oh, there is momos here. They are not ready.
What?
Momos are not ready. These are the momos.
मोमो कैसे है? Auntie, what is the price of momo? Huh? 100 rupees. One plate.
We try.
इधर इधर इधर
हाँ दे
वही तो दे दे उधर
What is it made of?
दा फोन का दाम
My kind of meat, but not
फेरत दिए जाए
slow.
Okay.
Okay. And it is stuffed with veggies.
Veggies.
Yes, and that is what steamed after that.
Okay.
Okay. With some, you said it na. Then the chilies were only used in meat and beef.
They don't have meat.
The chutney is made of only spice,
Spice only.
only chilies, nothing else.
Okay. All right, man. What's up, brother? Good. Yeah, man. Momos. Nepali momo. Is it good, brother? This is so hot. Shitty. Yeah. Nepali momo. But we are in India. Okay. Maybe you should check some of my videos trying this train. in Darjeeling.
মিষ্টি একটু ছোট হলে ভালো
In this famous street. What do we call this street? What's the name of this street?
Mall road.
Indian. Bihar.
Yes?
Bihar.
Bihar. Oh, the Bihar.
बिहार में
Bihar.
बिहार में
Nalanda Dila.
अच्छा
Bihar, the famous
हम लोग
Bihar
पास से
street.
मिल रहे हैं।
This is the famous Bihar street here. Yes?
West Indies.
What is that?
no he's
You,
Kenya
West
से
Indies.
Kenya से
English. Use English. Oh, कहाँ से? Kenya. You know Kenya?
समझ गया
Kenya.
समझ गया means got it
Got it.
you got it means समझ गया in Hindi.
समझ गया.
yes
Okay. Hey, I can't understand those languages.
just try it come here
Oh, there we go. Let's see now.
oh let that just see that now cloud
The crowd is coming, man. Me, I won't try with. Will I try with my first time trying momos?
it is
Hot.
you eat no and then it's too hot
Oh, I think it's just like a chapati.
no.
It's just like chapati. This is not actually hot. This pepper is not hot.
You should have this chutney a bit more. The red one.
I should try a
A
more.
bit more of this red one.
More.
Yes.
Okay, let me try.
Just like he's eating, no? A bit more of the red chutney.
Let me see. Like that.
A bit more from here.
More.
Yes.
More, a bit more for more. All right. Not hot.
It is a bit hard for me.
For you. You know, it can be awkward for an Indian to say it's hot. I'll be so awkward. Momo's good.
You should eat this one.
This one again?
Yes.
Okay, let me try this. It was not hot that how I expected it to be.
Now you fetch some chilies.
Not really that much.
Then give a lot of spices.
So good. Not that much. I was expecting it to be very hot, like extraordinary. You know?
Ah.
Yeah. Wow, it's actually so good. With chili, not chili, with pepper. And now the Bihar boys are here. Big, small one. Yeah. We done. Maybe we should go and try something else.
I said you before, no, we should not buy 3.
Yeah.
If it's not too good.
It's not too good, that one?
Yes.
Okay.
That what I told you before.
Now it's my turn to try. Buy now.
Something
Just
else.
what? Yeah, it's my turn now.
Yes.
Yes.
It is not a necessity. Okay.
No.
You are a friend.
No. We have to try some different things in the streets.
Yes.
Yeah. So let's look for something else.
Okay.
It's insane, bro. Imagine. Look at this. Man, so many people in one street, the Bihar street, and there is hope here. This a crab?
It is a bit expensive,
This is
but
a crab.
it has a good taste.
The momo.
No, everything in here.
These stuffs here.
Yes.
We go and try. What is this? Oh,
I said you it's a
know,
bit expensive.
in Kenya,
Yes.
we take tea using those cups.
What?
You see that cup?
Yes.
That's what we use to take tea in Kenya. That's an average cup. And now
but
here,
it would be a bit expensive.
like what do they sell here? Food.
Yes.
What should we try?
Let's go and find out. It is famous for its pastry.
What?
Pastry.
Let's go and see. Where is the gate?
There.
Down here.
आ जा इधर से भी.
We are here today. We are still. Guys, we are still trying some street food here at night in
I
Darjeeling.
said you na.
Oh, they are sugary thing. The only thing I can try is sugary stuffs. There are some cakes here. We have this in Kenya.
What do you wanna try? Just say it.
We should just look and see what we can get in this beautiful hotel of. Wow. Oh, it's so congested, bro. Oh man. It's so congested.
Excuse me.
Wow.
So
Why is this street so famous? Like, even you when you came, you just came looking for it immediately. Why is it so famous?
Look, there for people, so there were used to be local market for everyone. Okay. For everyone means the local people of the city. Okay. But
Okay.
when people used to come here, they would find it too cheap from these people. Okay. So they often visited here. Lived when they visit here, they used to get room near these places.
This place.
Okay, and since the population increase of India, then more number of people went for vacation, and it is a Saturday night.
Okay.
The local people of New Jalpaiguri or Siliguri would come here.
Okay.
Okay,
That's
to
how it
spend the
become
night.
popular.
Yes.
Okay. Wow. And some designer clothes, Beautiful.
Let's go back.
Just
Find
beautiful.
anything food.
This jacket's for 600. There's some jackets. Maybe we should have continued this way. Or what do you think? We go back that way.
Let's go.
Oh, it looks. Maybe you should take me a picture in this street. Guys, you're here. I'm trying a Indian burger. There you go. It's good. Wow. It has an egg instead of meat. Oh, nice.
जिस जहाँ हम रुके थे ना वहीं पे पहले से रुका हुआ था। आप लोग कहाँ से? बिहार में कहाँ से? हाँ, बेगूसराय से।
This is yours? Yours?
He was asking for chow mein, no?
Oh.
Is it good?
I'm eating a paper.
कितना हो गया? 50, 30, 80 और 30, 110.
I'm paying. I'm paying.
एक और चम्मच दे दीजिए।
I'm paying for it.
Why?
Bro, it's my turn. My turn.
That is something that doesn't.
Guys, how is it?
Taste it, just have a spoon from there.
No, I have mine.
Taste everything.
I'll taste everything, no problem. Let me finish this first.
It's a bit spicy.
It's spicy.
You won't feel it. You do it a lot of spicy.
I don't like a lot of spices. Yeah, man. Another one. Wow.
Bro, try it.
Yeah. Let me try one. Oh, that was so good. Good burger. Let me try small. It's not hot. It's not hot. One more.
Because we are at a cold place, man.
It's not hot. Wow. What is the name for this?
Noodles.
Noodles. The normal ones that I know. Kitna for this. Everything. It's my turn, brother.
Next time.
No. You are saying.
I will come your country, then you will pay. Okay.
Hey. Guys, see this guy. Don't want me to pay anything. I don't know what's wrong with Indians. You know, even I was somewhere else, they couldn't allow me to pay. Like, what is wrong?
Why would you pay if we are there for you?
When, man? But you're using money. You know?
It would have been spent some other way. It's on you. You are my friend. That's it. Done.
Really?
No more discussion, man.
Oh, man.
No, man.
Dahar mother. This guy is saying Dahar mother. Dahar mother. I don't understand. Wow. It was
आंटी
so-
ऑनलाइन होगा कहाँ है स्कैनर ओ भाई
So, what is this?
right
No, I want to know the name because of the viewer.
look there are spices okay spices are fried and then it's cut in a slice and put inside and then it's fried afterwards
Okay.
you will taste it will taste good
Okay. My boy here. Alright. Things are coming one by one. It's very slow, man. They should bring these faster. I'm so hungry. I'm dying of hunger. Finally, after a long wait to know what is coming, we just got chapati without that is not fried. And maybe, guys, this is where this video gonna end today. I was with my brother Shivaj and another brother, I forgot the name, and Om. And now we wanna say goodbye. And thank you, man, from these beautiful flowers of this hotel. Right, brother? Brother?
right
No, goodbye.
goodbye
Yeah. Another one. Alright, guys, see you. Let me eat.